വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മാത്സ് ട്യൂഷൻ. നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് RRBക്കുള്ള സിംപ്ലിഫിക്കേഷൻ നോക്കാം. കഴിഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് ആണ് ഇട്ടിരുന്നത്. ഓരോ ടോപ്പിക്കായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്ത കുട്ടികളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കൂട്ടുകാർക്കൊക്കെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. 1 by simplify 1 by √1 plus √2 √2 plus √3 plus 1 by √3 plus √4 plus etc. 1 by √1 plus √2. Multiplying numerator and denominator by its conjugate. Conjugate means middle side. √1 plus √2. Conjugate is √1 minus √2. √1 minus √2 by √1 plus √2 into √1 minus √2. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Similarly, this is also √2 minus √3 whole divided by minus 1. √3 minus √4 by minus 1 plus etc. √99 minus √100 by minus 1. Minus of, we can take minus 1 outside. Minus √2 plus √2 cancel. Minus √3 plus √3 cancel. √1 minus √100. All other terms cancelled. √1 means 1, √100. √100 means 10. Minus of minus 9 plus 9. Okay. Question number 2. A plus b, that is equal to 5. AB is equal to minus 50. Find A minus B. We know that A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square, that is equal to 4AB. This is an identity. A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square, that is equal to 4AB. 5 square minus A minus B the whole square, 4 into minus 50. 25 minus plus 200, that is equal to A minus B the whole square. 225 is equal to this, or A minus B is equal to root of 225, that is equal to 15. Next question. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Find root x plus 1 by root x. Root x plus 1 by root x the whole square. X a square, a plus b the whole square and the a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here x plus 1 by x, root x the whole square, x. 2ab, 2 into root x into 1 by root x, 2. b square, 1 by x. Here x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. That is 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore, root x plus 1 by root x is equal to root of 4. Question number 4. x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Find 2x square plus 2 whole divided by 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Here x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Taking LCM, we get x square plus 1 divided by x is equal to 2. X square plus 1 is equal to 2x. നമുക്ക് എന്താ കാണേണ്ടത് 2x square plus 2 by this. We can take 2 common. 2 into within the bracket x square plus 1 whole divided by 3x square plus 3. 3 into x square plus 1 plus 5x. X square plus 1 is equal to 2x. We are substituting 2 into 2x whole divided by 3 into 2x plus 5x. That is 4x divided by 11x. X cancel, we get 4 by 11. Question number 5. X plus y is equal to 9. Y plus z is equal to 14. X plus z is equal to 13. Find x plus y plus z. X plus y, y plus z, x plus z. Okay. Adding these three, we get xx 2 times yy zz. So 2 into x plus y plus z. 9 plus 14 plus 13. So 2 into x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z is equal to 36 divided by 18. Question number 6. A by 2, B by 3, C by 5. Find A plus B plus C by C. A by 2 is equal to B by 3 is equal to C by 5. Each is equal to K. Yes. So A is equal to 2K. B is equal to 3K. C is equal to 5K. We have to find A plus B plus C whole divided by C. That is A plus B plus C. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10K. Whole divided by C, that is 5K. KK cancel. So answer is 2. Next question. Root of 0.01 root of 0.0064. Here 0.0064 root of 64, 8. Here number of decimal places is 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of decimal places in the square root is half of 4, that is 2. Here only one digit. So put 0 here, then decimal point. 0.08. Root of 9, 3. Here number of decimal places is 2. So only one decimal places. So answer is 0.3. Question number 8. Root of 3 plus 6 plus root of 3 minus 6, root of 3 plus 6 is equal to 2. Find x. Component or dividend method, ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് ഉണ്ട്. ആ മെത്തേഡ് ഞാനൊന്ന് എഴുതാം. If a by b is equal to c by d, then a plus b by a minus b, that is equal to c plus d by c minus d. A plus b by a minus b, right side c plus d by c minus d. Adding numerator plus denominator, these two terms cancel. We get 2 into root of 3 plus 6. Then numerator minus denominator, these two terms cancel. This minus minus, that is 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 cancel. 3 by 1 means 3. Squaring on both sides, 3 plus 6 by 3 minus 6, that is equal to 9. Cross multiplication, we get 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 into 3 minus 9 into x. Left കൊണ്ടൊരു plus 9x, 10x, that is equal to 24. So x is equal to 24 by 10, 12 by 5. Next question, 9th. 3.6 into 0.48 into 2.5 whole divided by 0.12 into 0.09 into 0.5. നോക്കിങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഡെസിമൽ പ്ലേസസ്, ഡെസിമൽ നമ്പേഴ്സാണ് തരുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് number of decimal places in the numerator and denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3.6 into 0.48 into, here add 1 0, whole divided by 0.12, 0.09, 0.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can remove the decimal places. Then 36 into 48 into 250 whole divided by 12 into 9 into 5. 12 3s, 3 3, 16, 50. 0, 800. Question number 10. A is equal to 1.21, B is equal to 2.12. C is equal to minus 3.33. Find A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. First we add A plus B plus C. 3.33 plus minus 3.33. We get 0. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is equal to 3ABC. So 3ABC minus 3ABC, answer, we get answer 0. Okay. Find A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. First we add these three numbers, A plus B plus C. We get 3.33 plus minus 3.33. We get 0. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So answer is 3ABC minus 3ABC. Answer is 0. Okay. Next question. .386 plus 0.104 the whole square minus 0.386 minus 0.104 the whole square whole divided by 0.386 into 0.104. A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square form. For AB. So numerator becomes 4 into 0.386 into 0.104 whole divided by 0.386 into 0.104. Cancelling these two. We get 4. Next question. Question number 12. 8.73 into 8.73 into 8.73 plus 4.27 into 4.27 4.27 whole divided by 8.73 into 8.73 minus 8.73 into 4.27 plus 4.27 into 4.27. If this is equal to A and this is equal to B, this becomes A cube plus B cube whole divided by A square minus AB plus B square. A cube plus B cube. Factorization. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square whole divided by A square minus AB plus B square. Cancelling, we get A plus B. Here A means 8.73, B means 4.27. 13.0, that is 13. Question number 13. Simplify. Root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of the denominator. Here plus. So conjugate is root 5 minus root 3. whole divided by root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 5 minus 3. This is a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b the whole square. A square 5, 2ab, 2 into root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 square, that is 8 minus 2 root 15 whole divided by 2. We can take 2 outside. 2 into 4 minus root 15 whole divided by 2. 2 cancel. First we take the conjugate of the denominator. Multiplying numerator and denominator by conjugate. Root 5 minus root 3. A minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b the whole square form. A plus b into a minus b. We can take 2 outside. 4 minus root 15. 2 to cancel. Question number 14. 999. This is a square minus b square form. That is a plus b into, evaluate this. So a plus b into a minus b into 1. 1997. A square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here this is a, this is b. Adding we get 1997. Subtracting we get 1. A plus 1 by a the whole square, that is equal to 3. Find a cube plus 1 by a cube. A plus a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A plus 1 by a is equal to root 3. A cube plus 1 by a cube. നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? Here b is equal to 1 by a. A plus 1 by a the whole cube minus 3ab. Here a means a, b means 1 by a. A into 1 by a, 1. 1 into 3, 3. A plus 1 by a is equal to root 3. 3 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 3 root. So answer is 0. Question number 16. If x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0, find x square plus 1 by x square. X square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 6x plus 1, 0. X square plus 1. We can go, this term goes to right side, 6x. Dividing each term by x. 1 by x, that is equal to 6. Squaring on both sides, we get x plus 1 by x the whole square. 6 square, 36. A square 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. B square 1 by x square. You have to find x square plus 1 by x square. that is equal to 36 minus 2. 34. 2 goes to right side. 36 minus 2. X square plus 1 by x square. Dividing each term by x. X square by x. 1 by x. 6x by x. Squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 36. A square plus 2ab plus b square form. That is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 36 minus 2, 34. 17. If 2a plus b, a plus 4b that is equal to 3. Find a plus b by a plus 2b. Here 2a plus b by a plus 4b is equal to 3. Cross multiplication we get 2a plus b is equal to 3a plus 12b minus a. 2a minus 3a. 11b. A is equal to minus 11b. Here substituting we get a plus b by a plus 2b minus 11b plus 1b, that is minus 10b minus 11b plus 2b minus 9b. Negative by negative, positive bb cancel. So answer is 10 by 9. X plus y is equal to 65. X square minus y square. 390. Find x minus y. X plus y into x minus y is equal to this. So x minus y is equal to x square minus y square whole divided by x plus y. 390 divided by 65. 6. This is simple question. Question number 19. 100 into 10 minus minus 100 plus 2000 divided by 100. Both mass rule. First divide. 100 into 10 minus 100. 2000 by 100. We get 20. Okay. Then multiplication. 1000 minus 100 plus 20. 1000 plus 20. 1020. 920. Question number 20. Logarithm question നോക്കാം. Log x to the base 10,000. Log a to the base b is equal to c. Then b raised to c is equal to a. Okay. Similarly, we can write x is equal to 10,000 raised to minus 1 by 4. 10 raised to 4. A raised to m the whole raised to n. 10 raised to minus 1. 1 by 10. A raised to minus m നെ എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? 1 by a raised to m. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് ടൈം ആൻഡ് വർക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയിൽ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ. എല്ലാവരും പഠിക്കുക. Okay, thank you.